Welcome to our channel Civil Companion. So today we have taken the topic of planetary system, and it lies within the gamut of geography, and hence it is very important from our point of view to know certain facts about our planetary system. So that is why, without further ado, let's get started. Now you can have a look of our planetary system. Here we have Earth, and this is comet, and this is Jupiter. Okay, so we will discuss one after another in the later course of time. So at first we have our galaxy is known as Milky Way galaxy. Remember this fact, our galaxy is known as Milky Way galaxy. It is believed that in our space system we have hundreds and thousands of galaxies, but we live only in this Milky Way galaxy. And among the planets, there are two groups that can be found. These are inner planets, and another group is called as outer planets. So in the inner planets we have Mercury, we have Venus, we have Earth, we have Mars. So now let us discuss it with the help of this map picture. So now you can see this asteroid belt. Planets that are within this asteroid belt are called as inner planets, and the planets that are beyond this asteroid belt are called as outer planet, and these outer planets are also called as gaseous planet. Okay, now so asteroid belt, sorry friends, so asteroid belt is between Mars and, just now we have talked about asteroid belt. This asteroid belt is in between which two planets? Mars and Jupiter. Remember this thing, in examination they may ask you, where do we find asteroid belt? These two asteroid belts are found between, this asteroid belt is found in between Mars and Jupiter. Now inner planets are denser than outer planets, and the fact that is related to inner planet is these inner planets are denser compared to, in comparison, outer planet and inner planets. Inner planets are denser and heavier, whereas outer planets are lighter. Why they are lighter? They are lighter because they are composed of gases. Different gases can be found in this outer planets. Look at this. In Jupiter is made of gases. Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, all four of them are made of gases. Remember this thing. Whereas Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars consist of rock and metals. Okay, that is why they are called as inner planet. Now, so friends, biggest asteroid is called as Ceres. So I talked about asteroid belt that lies between Mars and Jupiter, is not it? Mars and Jupiter. So this in this asteroid belt we will have, or we can find different asteroids. Okay friends, so among the asteroids, Ceres is the biggest asteroid. Okay, just remember this fact. Now Moon is Earth's natural satellite. Since we know Moon is what? Moon is natural satellite of Earth. Friends, please remember this fact. Let me erase this and do some work here. So the satellites are of two kinds. One is natural satellite and one is man-made satellite. Man-made satellites are what? The satellites that are sent by ISRO, NASA. Clear? These are called as man-made satellites. Whereas natural satellites are Moon, These are natural satellite. Okay, they revolve around Earth. They have a orbit and they are moving around Earth. So who gives different names, or the work of nomenclature is done by whom? It is done by International Astronomical Union. So remember this thing, International Astronomical Union does the work of naming different planets or including different planets in the list of planets. So by this IAU, this International Astronomical Union had recently kicked out Pluto from the list of planets. Why so? Because we know that this is sun. Assume this is sun, and around this sun different planets, they revolve around this sun, right? And this pathway of different planets are called orbits. These are orbits. And what Pluto did is that Pluto crossed the orbit of Neptune. And they entered into the orbit of Neptune, and this Pluto again exit through this orbit of Neptune, and that is why International Astronomical Union kicked out Pluto from the list of planets. Now Sun is, remember this fact, Sun is 108 times bigger than Earth. Remember this thing. Now you can imagine our Earth is so big, right? We cannot even travel our Earth in a day, around our Earth in a day, but the Sun is 108 times bigger than our Earth itself. So now let us proceed to the next one. Jupiter is biggest among the planet. Remember this fact. So here we have Jupiter. This Jupiter is the biggest among the planets. Now you can visualize, since it looks bigger than other planet, right? Now after that, Earth is denser planet. Remember this fact as well. Earth is denser planet among the list of planets. Okay, and apart from this, Jupiter is the biggest among the planets. So without further ado, let us have a look what we have now. So Mercury has been tagged as dwarf planet. Sorry, this here it is written as Mercury. Sorry for the mistake. It should have been Pluto. Pluto has been tagged as dwarf planet. Dwarf planet means the planet, semi-planets in a way. They are called as semi-planets. Earlier, Pluto was known as planet, but because it crossed the orbit of Neptune, that is why International Astronomical Union kicked this Pluto out of the list of planets. So inner planets, the planets that are within the asteroid belts, inner planets, this is our sun, this is asteroid belt. Okay, inner planets, that means inner planets are made up of rock and metals. So that is why inner planets are denser or heavier than the outer planets, whereas outer planets are made of helium, hydrogen. We do know that hydrogen and helium are both of them are light gases. That is why they look quite bigger than the inner planets. And here is also an interesting fact. Let me again go back to this picture. Now you can have a look. All of the inner planets look small, whereas outer planets are bigger. Why so? Because of this sun. So they are near to the sun, and sun absorbs their gases, and sun absorbed their gases. That is why they have turned into small planets, whereas they are quite far from the sun's radiation or sun's heat. That is why their gases are still within their atmosphere, not atmosphere, within their sphere. Okay, so that is why outer planets look bigger, whereas inner planets look smaller. Now, apart from this, friend, so even this methane can be found in outer planets or gaseous planets. So among the planets, Saturn is the lightest one. Why Saturn is the lightest one? Because in Saturn we can find hydrogen, helium plus methane. So methane is one of the lightest gas. Okay, now apart from this, we have this astronomical unit. Remember this fact, friends. This astronomical unit is the measurement or the way to calculate the distance. Okay, friends, the way we calculate distance in our earth as kilometer, by representing them as kilometer per hour, is not it? In the same way, astronauts, they measure the distance in the space by using these astronomical units. Astronomical unit, the distance between sun and earth, is called astronomical unit or 1 astronomical unit. Now let us go back to this picture. So friends, now you can see that the distance between earth and sun, the distance between earth and sun is called as astronomical unit, or it is 1 astronomical unit. So this distance is called as 1 astronomical unit. Okay, and in this measurement, in this way they measures the distance and the space. Okay, friends, to know further about this topic, please subscribe to our channel, and we will bring different series related to astronomical units, related to planetary system and geography. So in the next video, I will be discussing about comets, asteroids, meteoroids. Okay, friends, so thank you for watching.